Hi there and welcome to this video, the truth about starting an online business, everything that you need to know. If you're thinking of starting an online business, all I gotta tell you is awesome decision. However, I want to be real with you. It's not as easy as what some of the gurus make it out to be. There are truths, there are myths, there are challenges, and there are a lot of things that people don't tell you. And that's why I made this video, so that you can see exactly what it is that goes on in starting your online business. You're going to learn about some of the mistakes that folks make when they're starting out, and then you're going to have a clear roadmap so that you can make an informed decision on whether this online business stuff is for you. So let's dive in. My name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this channel. It's all about really helping you to get started in the world of online business. And today we're going to be talking about the truth of starting an online business. And I want to start off by talking about one of the most famous myths, that it's easy to make money online, that you can have a website set up today and maybe by the end of the week you start seeing some profits roll in. That's the equivalent of saying that you go outside and then you plant a seed into the ground, and then the next day you're going to wake up to a wonderful growing apple tree. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Starting or building an online business is very much the same like starting your very own garden, where you first have to plant your seeds, you have to consistently water them, and then over time it will grow into something amazing. The bottom line, it takes effort, it takes patience, and you gotta be consistent. It's not impossible though, as I'm sure you have seen some real success stories, and I can even show you lots of them if you just check out the links below this video description. But the point is, if you have the right mindset, nothing is impossible. And if you stick with the training and if you go to the right places, you're going to come up with something really amazing where you can enjoy the fruits of your labor, which is financial freedom and flexibility. Okay, next, what do you really need to get started? There's basically 4 things that you need to get started. The first thing is you need to decide on what business model you're going to do in the online world. Think of it like this. There are so many different sports out there. You might like soccer or tennis or basketball or whatever it is. So when you come to the online world, you can choose to do affiliate marketing. Maybe you want to sell digital products, or maybe you want to do coaching or consulting, or maybe you can even do e-commerce. Next, you need to have a website or an online presence. Now, let's put it this way. Let's just say you have a physical shop, but you don't put a sign. How are people going to come and visit your store? So you need to actually have an online presence where people know that you exist. Your website is your digital storefront. Now, you need to get traffic to your business. Think of it this way. You're having a party. So what do? For people to come to your party, you need to give out the invitations. Now, in the online world, you need to think of different traffic methods that you're going to use to get people to come to your business. You can use SEO, which is basically an organic way of getting free traffic to your website. Maybe you can use social media if that's what you like to do. Or if you have the budget, then you can even do paid advertising. But at least learn 1 or 2 traffic methods to get people to come to your business. Now you got people to come to your business. What are you going to sell? This is all about monetization. Let's just say you got a lemonade store, so you're going to be selling lemonade. But now in the digital world, what it is you're going to be selling? Are you going to be having a one-on-one coaching and consulting course? Or maybe you're going to sell digital products? Or maybe you're going to make money from affiliate commissions. So basically, that is how you get started with your online business. Okay, so now I want to talk to you about some of the common mistakes that newbies make when they get started with their online business. Initially, it's so exciting and you are pumped up. But here's the thing. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is not having that clear plan of action. Think of it this way. You're going on a road trip and you don't take your GPS with you. You might get lost. You're going to get frustrated. You might not even get to where you want to be. Next thing is that chasing shiny objects. Let's just say you want to learn a musical instrument. 1 week you decide to learn the piano, then the next day you want to learn the guitar, then the next day you want to do the drums. You're not sticking to one strategy when it comes to the online business. You're not going to master any of these strategies. Stay focused on it and eventually give it time. It will work. Ignoring marketing is another big mistake. This is where a lot of people focus on the beauty of their website and they want the landing page to look all perfect, but they ignore the core thing, which is getting people to your website. If you don't do marketing, if you don't go out there and show people that you are there, if you don't give value, and if you don't learn any of these traffic methods, people are not going to know that you exist, no matter how great of a product or service you are offering. So don't ignore the marketing aspect. And the last mistake, which I'm sure you can guess, is people quit when it's too soon. Success takes time. And just like building any business, whether it's an online business or an offline business, it's gonna take some time. And sometimes you may quit when you are just about to have that victory. So don't quit. Right, so now I want to give you a simple action plan that you can take with you to get started with your own online business. The first thing is have a niche. Decide on what niche you're going to pursue. It can be in line with your skills or your interests. Basically decide what sort of game you're going to be playing. Then set up your storefront. This can be a website, but you don't have to make it overly complicated. The next thing is go and learn how you can create valuable content for your audience, whether it's sharing tips or solutions or insights. Think of it like you have a friend who's stuck at a certain level in a video game and you come along and you want to help them. This is really what it's about, helping somebody else. And then master traffic sources. Remember I told you earlier on, at least 1 or 2 traffic sources. Start focusing on them and working on them on a consistent basis. And then after that, it's all about monetizing strategically. How are you going to make your money? Maybe you can make it with affiliate marketing, selling digital courses, or maybe you want to consulting. It's really up to you. So what have you learned in this video? You have learned the myths of starting an online business. Then I've showed you on the right way to getting started with your online business. You've also learned some of the common mistakes that newbies make when they're getting started with their online business. And now it's up to you to getting started with an online business. Do you think you have it in you to getting started? I certainly think that you do. Now, before I leave you, I just want to tell you that I've been in the online space since 2015. And one of the business models, in fact, the business model that I've been using all along these years is affiliate marketing. And it's what I would recommend for newbies. And the main reason why it's beginner friendly, it's got a low cost upfront investment, and you're going to be earning commissions by recommending products which you don't even earn. So if this is something that calls to you or you want to learn more about it, then feel free to check out the link that is in the video description, where it will talk about my #1 recommendation. It will show you a platform that I've been using all of these years, where you have a one-of-a-kind community to help you every step of the way. You'll have all the tools and the training to get you started with building that solid foundation. And that's basically what I'd like to just leave you with. I hope that this video has helped you out. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it below this video and I'll be more than happy to answer it. Having said that, I want to wish you everything of the best in your success as an online entrepreneur. Remember, don't give up. You can do this. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm looking really forward to chatting with you in my next video. Goodbye.